Hi, my name is Damien, and I'm going to be talking about grinding rails and about scooters. So let's get with it. This is a Razor Funk rail, and this is a customized scooter. You got Envy, the main parts are Envy, Phoenix, Epic, and Tilt, which are all really good parts. This was a very expensive scooter. But what I want to tell you today about scootering is picking the right scooter. So you can either get a company brand complete, which is a good for a scooter, MGP, all them, they're good. But once you get better and you know you have a passion for it, you want to pick the right scooter and customize it yourself. But you want to make sure that the parts fit together nice and that the colors match you as a person. So, you just want to pick one that you really like. So right here we have a Razor Punk rail, and we're going to tell you some tutorials and some tips. And thanks for watching, and we will tell you in a second.
Hey guys, it's Dom. I also have a custom scooter just like my friend Damien, and some main parts are Envy, ODI, and District. I ordered some other parts, but unfortunately they're still in the mail, so I don't have them right here today. But now my friend's going to talk to you about some tips to scootering.
Damien Lee, and I'm back. I have some tips for you. The first thing I want to talk about is safety. One thing that will definitely keep you safe is a helmet. A helmet protects your head. You want it to keep you safe. Lots of people get hurt each year because they don't have a helmet. Next thing I want to talk about today is pads. This is just one pad. You want knee pads, elbow pads, and sometimes wrist pads. You want it to keep you safe. The more experience you get, you may not need them because you can balance yourself when you fall. The next thing today I want to talk about is hydration. You want to keep hydrated, and you also want to have food, so that way when you're riding you have your best, product. You want to be as good as you can be. And you don't want to get passed out or dizzy. Thanks for listening to today, and the next thing we're talking about is how to grind rails and tricks. Thank you. And we're going to be talking about grinding some rails today. We do it two different ways, and first off I'm going to be leading. So the first way I like to grind is I'll come up to it like this. You want to have, a decent amount of speed. You want to jump up, grind sideways. As you get better, you can keep your bar straight, so when you come off like this, you land like that, and it makes it so you ride off perfectly. But when I do it, I come like this, and it makes me ride backwards, and I 180. That way I can keep riding, and that way it's good. The second way is Dom's, and he'll be doing it a little bit differently.
So Damien's way of grinding is he kind of goes on with his heel back, lands on the rail like that. But I have a different stance, and my toes are front, so when I go on the rail, I land like this, and my toes are on the back. So when I grind, I land like my toes this way. He lands with his heels that way, and his toes the other way. So basically the same thing.
We'll show you. One last thing I want to say to you guys is that you really should get this rail. What do you think, Dom?
Yes, it's a great rail.
Thanks for watching.